Again, with these walking and talkings, I'm planning on doing I'm gonna install and build my Claude brain and everything, and show you what I'm doing with Claude. I'm in the process of doing that, but how to talk today. I knew I was speaking and I forgot today at Toastmasters, and I looked for an easy topic that I could easily speak on, and which is AI, and I talked about, and I can do this in my next video too, the general versus specializing AI, how we move from general to specialization, and then what it takes to do that. The next thing is give a context, let the AI know you, should be the ultimate goal, and then with what it knows, with that context, train the AI to think like you, talk like you, be like you. But that's another thing. I'm coming back with this, and I wanted to. That's coming up. But right now, why do smart people do dumb shit? Why do smart people do dumb shit? And I always, it surfaced as more of political correctness. A lot of educational facilities are more political correct. They're acting smart, book smart, if you want to call it, or I like the term, which can't take actual credit, but I had an assist of it with AI, and AI assist, educational stupidity, or common sense. And you're going to school, you're looking to get school for the money, and that's the first problem right there. That's a different topic for a different day. But when you're talking about common sense or book smart, I think right now common sense is winning out. It's going to take a lot of common sense. It's going to take a lot of human minds, because a lot of the information is searchable. It's ready. We can find whatever we need. But we need the common sense. We need the street smarts. The thing that AI won't necessarily have. It can get close, and I'm sure on other times it can get really close, but we're going to need the street smarts from people, from actual humans, especially going into the way AI is advancing and everything. But it's coming, and I've heard several already, like they came out and just said it. One podcast interview that I was editing the other day, he said, "I'm sorry, but I'm not prioritizing your education in my hiring decision anymore." He flat out said that. He's not making it a priority for someone to have higher education. He's looking for what they know and how can they help him now or whatever. And he's not necessarily looking for that higher education. Common sense versus book smarts or educational stupidity. And I think I'm more for common sense than again, the information is available. You can look it up anytime. You can have the internet and a phone. As long as you have a phone in your fingertips, you can look up anything. But street smarts is what you have always. That comes from you. That's stuff that we're going to be focused on. The street smarts. And let me know in the comments. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know in the comments. I want to know what you guys think. What's more important to you, street smarts or the book smarts? And thanks for dropping by. Hope you stop by next week when I get more into AI and I'm gonna start going over my specialization AI standard process that I do. Maybe not what others do, but if you're interested in what I do, stick around. Coming up in the coming weeks, I'm gonna be doing just that. I'm gonna be setting up, probably later today as recording this, I'm gonna be setting up my Claude and I'll recording that and everything. I'll be setting that all up. Stick around for that, and you can see how someone with good at smart as tech, but who knows tech, who knows technology, works around technology, can learn new things. And stick around if you want to see me set up a Claude process. Till then, like, share, comment what other things you want to see from me. And thanks again. One tip at the end: this is not a sponsor, but you wanna make sure you're grabbing Spotify. Spotify these days has everything: music, podcasts, audiobooks, and what doesn't have it's more of a social. You can comment on podcasts, you can do that. It's more of a social engine. They're looking to compete. YouTube, Spotify, and Netflix, they're all these are looking to compete with Netflix these days. That's the new streaming model. And you want to jump on board Spotify. It's one thing: you get audiobooks, podcasts, premium music. You get it all with Spotify. Again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where I talk about AI generalization or AI specialization.